Thanks, Wes. The annual Virgin Islands High School Moot Court was held recently yesterday on St. Thomas. News Channel 8's Lee Carl was there. Let's take a look at some future lawyers and judges.
The Moot Court competition is in the history books, but you get a chance to see a little bit of what our St. Croix teams and other teams had to do. Charlotte Amalia, of course, took the winning banners here as the judges were introduced in the courtroom at Superior Court. On hand, of course, was the Superior Court Judge Michael Dunstry. James S. Carroll presided over the two-day competition, scoring the teams and knowledge of law, organization, courtroom demeanor, and creativity, among other things. So, as they got under...
This is the case of St. Croix Education Complex High School versus Antilles School.
Facing off against Charlotte Amalia High School were Antilles School, All Saints Cathedral, Advantage Dorican, Free Will Baptist, Christian Schools, St. Croix Educational Complex, St. Croix Seventh-day Adventist, and St. Joseph's High School. Each team had a coach, two local attorneys on their side to help them. This year's topic centered on the students' right to free speech and how it could be used, and the teams, of course, practice was a key component in the Moot Court competition and the process. Here is Judge James Carroll presiding over the opening of this Moot Court session.
During the next 2 days. The theme of my brief presentation today is excellence, because I'm sure that you all want to attain that particular goal of excellence. As a lawyer and as a judge, we have always tried to attain that particular goal. Your hard work and your sacrifice is really what this competition is all about. If you come here, if you've prepared, if you present your arguments, you have already won the particular fight. You have already achieved that goal of excellence.
I think the Senator mentioned it. You all are the future leaders.
Senator Carlton Dow.
Before I part, I always say to everyone, regardless of whomever they are, I always tell the truth. There's two things you could do. Either it's right or it's wrong. So as competitors today, always focus and make a commitment to yourself to tell the truth. There's no in between. And dealing with the judges will be easy. All right? And with that, I want to say have fun and be very competitive. Thank you.
Students, that the relationships that you build, cherish them. Because each and every one that you come in contact with on this day, during this competition, they are to be lifelong friends, regardless of where you travel. I will guarantee you, someone you're going to be in Minnesota, someone in Florida, and then you're going to cross paths somewhere along the line again. So it's not who wins today, because each and every one of you participated. In fact, are winners.
Thank you, Honors, and good morning. My name is Lennox Mark, and I, along with my co-counselors, Ayana Warner, Crystal Newton, and Naira Gums, do comprise the complex law firm. This morning, Your Honors, will be representing the appellants, and I'll be addressing the fact that the appellant's freedom of speech was indeed violated. Your Honors, we have seen repeatedly throughout history how the security of the majority has often been prioritized over our fundamental rights. However, Benjamin Franklin once stated that those who would sacrifice essential liberties to purchase a little temporary safety deserve neither liberty nor safety.
Good afternoon. May it please the Court. My name is Spencer Consalvo, and I'm representing the Virgin Islands High School and the Virgin Islands Board of Education in defending their right to confiscate James Francis's flyers without infringing on his right of free speech. My co-counsel Akash Shagani and Elliot Davis will be defending the school's right to disperse his assembly and the school's student conduct code, respectively. As said in the Supreme Court case, Tinker versus Des Moines, the constitutional rights of students in public schools are not coextensive with the rights of adults in other settings. Patrick Henry, Ben Franklin, and our forefathers lived at a time of loco parentis, where schools were given extensive authority over students. I'll bring you to the more relevant case of Morse versus Frederick. In 2007, the Supreme Court ruled that a student standing off school campus and dispersed from school for the day was still participating in school speech when he raised a banner that gave risk of substantial disruption.
The future looks exciting, and the children are our future. And we have more news in your future coming up next. Stay with us on News Channel 8.